Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly set up a very simple branch logic form in Google Forms. So we're in our Google account. Let's go to Create and let's select Form. And let's just quickly frame it out. The topic of this, let's just call this Goal Setting. I already have a description. I already copy and pasted in here. It reads, you just finished studying a lesson on goal setting. Take a minute and self-assess your understanding of goal setting by answering the question below. When you are ready to begin, please fill out your name and select Continue. So question title, let's just go first, last name. And let's change this from multiple choice to a text question. I want to collect students' names. I'm not going to grade this, but I want to know who has responded to the check for understanding question. I'm going to hit done. Okay? Now, I'm just going to create a simple one question branch logic form. But with that question, if a student gets it wrong, I want them to be taken to another page that explains to them why they got it wrong. For students that get it right, I want them to be taken to a page that tells them, hey, great job, you got it right. So we need to set up a total of 3 pages. So I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm going to select Page Break, and I'm going to call the first page Goal Setting Question. Done. Now to make my life easy, I'm just going to duplicate 2 more of these. So see how I have 3 icons here. The middle one is called Duplicate. I'm going to select it, and I'm going to change this to Goal Setting Question Explanation, and this will be for the students who get the question wrong. I'm going to go back, I'm going to duplicate this again, and I'm going to change this to Goal Setting Recap, and this is going to be the final page that all students will see before they submit this form. Okay? So I have 3 pages. I'm going to go back to page 2, and now I'm just going to add in a multiple choice question. When using branch logic, you have to choose multiple choice question because students have to be forced to select an answer in order for the Google to tell them to go to a specific page. So multiple choice, this must be selected, go to page based on answer. Our question is going to be, which of the following goals best represents the SMART model? And I'm going to type in some just quick choices. Lose weight, about lose 25 pounds in a month, lose 5 pounds in a month, and how about lose 3 pounds by the end of the year. Okay? Now, I have 4 choices, and only one of these is the correct answer. I want all of the wrong answers to automatically be navigated to page 3, Goal Setting Explanation. So lose weight is wrong, so I'm going to choose Goal Setting Explanation. Lose 25 pounds in a month is wrong, Goal Setting Explanation. Lose 5 pounds in a month is the correct answer, so I want that to go to Goal Setting Recap. And lose 3 pounds by the end of the year is also wrong. That should go to Goal Setting Explanation. Okay, so that's good, that's done. And then on Goal Setting Explanation, on here I want to teach the students why they got the question wrong. And so let's type in, you answered the question incorrectly. Please review the information to enhance your understanding. Okay, so maybe I'll just put in some stuff here about the SMART model. Done. Maybe I'll also add in a video. Let's go ahead and grab this URL. Select. Move that to the center, make it look nice and pretty. Done. And then for the students that got the question right, and for those that eventually arrive to this last page after getting it wrong, maybe on here I'm just going to do a quick reminder. I'm not going to type it in for the sake of time, recapping all the big things on goals. Then down here, you can customize your message, whatever you want it to say. So let's go to live form. And let's see what this looks like in action. First name, Kip P, continue, and let's purposely get this wrong and see what happens. So which of the following goals best represents the SMART model? Lose weight. I'm going to go continue, and this should take me to the page that's going to contain an explanation telling me why I got it wrong and some possible review information. Perfect. Students from here would select continue, and then maybe I just have some closing statements on this last page before the student submits it. Again, they don't technically really have to submit it, but as a teacher, I would want to know, even though I'm not grading it, which students have taken the time to do the check for understanding questions. Now, if this was something you're interested in doing over the course of the entire semester, what I would do is I would go to responses, and I would select change response destination. And I would choose new sheet in an existing spreadsheet. In other words, anytime you set up a branch logic form, I would have all the answers funnel to one specific spreadsheet. That way you can track how a student's doing throughout the duration of the course. Okay, that's your branch logic testing. Go ahead and close out the video, and then we're going to practice this on our own.